Hi everyone, in front of me I've got Motorola Edge 60 Pro, and let me share with you how to change date and time on this device. So let's start with opening the settings, and here in this list we have to scroll down to the very bottom to find the system. Then let's tap on date and time. And here we've got some options which are currently inactive. Right here, for example, it is because we are using the automatic options. So first of all, let's turn off all of those switchers. And now we can freely tap on date and choose it from the calendar. Just find the proper date and tap on it. Confirm it with OK. The same with the time. Just tap on it and choose it from the clock. Confirm it with OK. Of course, it will be immediately applied. The time zone, just tap on it, tap on the region, and here we've got the full list of available ones. So find yours and then tap on it. Choose the proper one, and it will be immediately applied. You can also choose the time format, so either you can use the 12-hour one, which is currently applied, or 24-hour one just by tapping on the switcher. Alright, so basically this is the whole manual customization of date and time. Of course, you can go back to all previous settings just by tapping on those switchers right here to set everything automatically. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. Please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.